Hi guys, we are back with another video. But this time we're going back to Xbox. Oh yeah, I could actually. But Benji, did you see my post? That when I went to 100 subs, I'm doing a 1 hour video. It's not a live stream. It's just gonna be like, a compilation. Like a video of Rocket League, video of Rec Room, like video of multiple things that we play. Are you watching one of Galaxy and BG's videos? Yeah, the one where the random dude disappeared. I don't either. I've never heard of somebody called that. It's that melon playground. Never heard of that on mobile. It's like that. Cause well, on VR, I've only played Rec Room like 3 times, and I'm already level 10 there. Which one? Oh, I used to do that. I know that's the edge of fucking life. Do we get to create our own thing? It's quite complex, but oh, I've got a toilet. I can like switch it. So the first constructed toilet is going to be one with disguise face. Benji, this is my first skibidi. Come have a look at it. I'm going to add like a blaster, because I want this dude to be cool. It's going to be called Sword Skibidi. Egg toilet. I'm going to take his parasite blaster thing. There you go. Sword Skibidi. I can grab his Astro hand. I'm gonna grab one of the Astro hands. Wait, I'm about to make it Astro. Let's go put yeah. Well, he does that multiverse. Yeah, I used to watch him, but he stopped uploading. Yeah, true. Dom Studio. Gary's mod. Who the fuck plays that now? Toilet tower defense. They got Titan present, man. That unit sucks. Okay, alright. I'm just gonna build on my small skibidi. Skibidi toilet. It's got a small laser on the side. I've got the ultimate Astro. Skibidi. Well, the hell's deer from Ohio? Flipping Thomas the Tank Engine. Yo, we got a trade. Meow. Is it this laser pointing his head? What me to have a go? Where is it? Yeah. So you need other legs. I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah. Titan present, man. This unit sucks. What's this one? What the hell is this one? Toilet tower defense. He's dead now. He's completely dead. I'll just nab Titan TV with my sword. Minions, Rise of Ghoul. Coming out 2023. No skill clutch. Are you sure about that? Another Astro hand. But this one's bigger. Yeah, Dom Studios up here. Quality could be better, but it looks good to be honest. I would have liked them bigger. Like, don't make the Titan small. Ten minutes of my video. This will be the last game. Then I'm ending it. Just had his Riz. I've got him friended on. Oh, it's Taylor. Flipping hell. It's Taylor. Oh, stupid. Damn, Robin. He's still level 1. What did it say? Damn. Robin ain't played Rec Room in ages. All Robin really plays now is Fortnite and Destiny 25. I want to get a thumbnail in. Yeah, we could try. Oh, so I could just, like, you know that camera thing? Like the, where you can take a picture to even put to your file or... I might have forgot how to play Rec Room on the Xbox. Yeah. Are you gonna join? I need to hurry up. I'm gonna end the video here. That's the end of the video. See you guys later.